Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you select import language on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you click here on your name down here, just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just keep going down. You come here to import language here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then here can you select your import language in this list. Then you click here on OK. Then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.